All right, we're going to talk about rebuilding your credit post bankruptcy. Bankruptcy is, in a sense, the financial nuclear bomb. It's on your report, it's public record. Chapter seven's on there for 10 years. Shame, the embarrassment, those things that you feel like you're screwed, in a sense. But I'm going to sit here and tell you that that's a lie. Bankruptcy isn't the end of your financial life. It's the brutal, necessary, hard reset button. It's Control Alt Delete. And the comeback story, it starts the very next day. Let's be real. The immediate aftermath of your bankruptcy is the start of your new life. Nightmare's over. But what you are going to do is you are going to go out and apply and get one credit card. As soon as you're out of bankruptcy, one credit card. And you're going to use that credit card. You're going to use it every single month. I want to share with you a way that I explained this to a client at one point in time that came in after bankruptcy. I said, let's do something right now. I handed him a pad of paper and a pen, and I said, tell me everything that you spend in an average week, cash out of your pocket or on a credit card. He made a list, came up with $300 worth of stuff between coffee and gas and lunch and whatever it was, $300. I said, okay, you got a credit card now with $300. I said, I want you to keep that cash in your pocket and train yourself on how to do this. Anytime you buy something, I want you to put it on your credit card, but take the money out of your left pocket where the cash is and put it in your right pocket. And then at the end of the week, I want you to walk into the bank and take what's in your right pocket and put it in the bank, and then call your credit card company and pay whatever you put on it off. Every single week, do that. And after 12 months, you're going to end up around 700 out of a Chapter 7. That's my advice. That's the most simple way that I can explain to you how to fix your credit after you've come through a bankruptcy. You could do some other things. You can get a credit builder loan. You can go to one of the credit unions and do that if you want. And that'll help you. It's an installment loan. That'll do you some good. You put some money in an account, $1,000, and you say, I want to leave it in as collateralized, a collateralized loan. The bank will automatically take the payment out of the account you have as collateral and pay that loan every single week, every single month, however you set it up. That'll help you too. Credit card, credit builder loan, both of those things will work. In a year after bankruptcy, you'll be 700 or higher. I see it all the time. Don't be afraid. Don't allow yourself to be paralyzed after bankruptcy. Doesn't make any sense. It's not what needs to happen. Before you know it, you'll be 720, you'll be 730, you'll be 740 all over again. But this time, you're going to be responsible. Lesson learned is going to be a hard lesson. You want us to take a look at things for you? You want a free analysis of your credit? I want you to pick up the phone. Grab it. If you're watching this on a phone, swipe out. Go to your messages. Text the word credit to 702-778-2000. And let me help you today.